Brexit legal fight. EU uses British expats to take revenge on the UK. Tough regulations penalizing Britons who own holiday homes in Spain and other EU countries may breach international law and could be challenged in court, a top legal expert has said. The plight of British expats is currently under the microscope, with strict immigration rules in relation to non-EU citizens now applying to people from the UK in the wake of Brexit. Regulations state that people can visit visa-free for no more than 90 days out of a consecutive period of 180 days. For British citizens unable to prove they were residents in the relevant EU 27 country prior to December 31st, this means they would face a 90-day deadline to leave. Commenting on this, someone said, "All this could have been avoided had the expats taken time to get their paperwork sorted out. They've had years, but have just not bothered, so no sympathy whatsoever. The last place we would ever visit countries in the bloc. Broaden your horizons, visit places where you are welcome." Leon Fernando del Canto of Del Canto Chambers in Spain said the rules had major implications for anyone owning a property in his country or elsewhere in the bloc. Many of these Britons have failed to register their residence in Spain and have been enjoying flying under the radar. However, the reopening of the borders marks an end to Brighton's ability to live fluidly between two countries, with Brexit's restrictions being taken very seriously by the Spanish authorities. "I presume there's going to be a large number of properties going on the market in Spain. In fact, if I owned one, regardless of whether I had sorted out my paperwork or not, I'd be getting it on the market ASAP." Mr. Del Canto warned, prolonged illegal stay in a Schengen zone country could mean not being allowed to return for over 3 years. Information on anyone who overstays in one of these countries will be logged into the immigration database and will therefore be easily noticed. The rule changes were especially problematic for Brits who own a second home abroad. Mr. Del Canto acknowledged, in total, more than 500,000 UK citizens own a holiday home in an EU Schengen zone country, most commonly Spain, which they bought before December 31st, 2020. The EU and all its sycophantic supporters screamed endless about the rights of EU nationals being allowed to stay in the UK, how their rights would be denied, etc. The EU refused to negotiate until this issue had been addressed. Even then, they weren't satisfied because the UK was going to charge a fee for the paperwork involved. In the end, they were given leave to remain. The EU decided that the same rights would not be reciprocated by them. Instead, it would be left to the individual countries. But with a big shove not to grant the same rights, it's all about making things as difficult as possible for the UK. They never had any intention of giving the same rights. And you, what do you think about this problem? Let me know what you think and let's discuss it. If you find a good video, please do not forget one like and share them. I will keep updating with the latest news in the next videos. Please subscribe to the channel so as not to miss it. Thank you.